Imagine, for a moment, the fragile miracle of life. Over billions of years, Earth has transformed from a molten rock to a lush haven teeming with diversity. Each creature, from the humblest ant to the towering redwood, plays a role in the intricate web of existence. Yet as we stand on the precipice of unprecedented change, we must confront an uncomfortable truth. Humanity, the most intelligent species to ever grace this planet, has become the greatest agent of destruction. Philosophers often speak of humanity as stewards of the earth, gifted with consciousness and the ability to shape our environment. But stewardship is not merely a privilege, it is a profound responsibility. Our technological advances, while extraordinary, have cast long shadows. Climate change, deforestation, pollution, and species extinction are not abstract concepts. They are tangible consequences of our choices. Scientists warn that we are on the brink of the sixth mass extinction, a cataclysmic event where the rate of species loss rivals that of the asteroid strike that doomed the dinosaurs. Consider this. Earth has endured 5 mass extinctions in its 4.5 billion year history. These events wiped out vast swaths of life, but they were caused by natural forces, volcanic eruptions, asteroid impacts, and shifting climates. Today, the driving force is us. Overpopulation, overconsumption, and an insatiable appetite for progress have pushed ecosystems to the brink. It is as if we have become both creators and destroyers, wielding a power we scarcely understand. Yet, within this crisis lies a profound opportunity. Unlike the forces of nature that drove past extinctions, we have the capacity to recognize our impact and change course. But this requires more than technological solutions. It demands a philosophical awakening. Let us begin with a question. What does it mean to live in harmony with nature? The answer lies not in dominance, but in coexistence. The ecosystems we exploit are not resources to be consumed. They are living systems of which we are a part. To sever ourselves from this connection is to deny our very nature. The philosopher Aldo Leopold once said, "A thing is right when it tends to preserve the integrity, stability, and beauty of the biotic community. It is wrong when it tends otherwise." These words remind us that our moral compass must extend beyond human concerns. Every species, every forest, every river is part of a delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. When we destroy them, we diminish ourselves. Science provides us with the tools to address these challenges. Renewable energy, sustainable agriculture, and conservation efforts are not utopian dreams. They are practical solutions. But science alone cannot solve this crisis. It must be guided by a deeper understanding of our place in the world. We must ask ourselves, what kind of ancestors do we want to be? What legacy will we leave for those who come after us? To prevent the sixth mass extinction, we must embrace a new way of thinking. Education is key. Imagine a world where every child grows up understanding the interconnectedness of life, where the stories we tell celebrate the wonder of nature rather than its exploitation, where economic success is measured not by growth, but by sustainability. We must also foster global cooperation. The challenges we face do not respect borders. Climate change affects all nations, rich and poor. Biodiversity loss weakens ecosystems everywhere. It is only through collective action that we can hope to make a difference. This requires leaders who prioritize the long-term health of the planet over short-term gains. It requires citizens who hold those leaders accountable. And finally, it requires hope. Hope is not blind optimism. It is the belief that change is possible. It is the spark that drives action. Each of us has the power to make a difference, whether through reducing our consumption, supporting conservation efforts, or simply spreading awareness. In the end, the role of humanity in preventing the sixth mass extinction is not just a scientific challenge, it is a moral and philosophical one. It asks us to reflect on who we are and who we want to become. It challenges us to rise above our short-sightedness and embrace a vision of the future where life in all its forms can thrive. The question is not whether we can prevent the sixth mass extinction. The question is whether we will choose to. The choice is ours, and the time is now.